In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default values for new records in Salesforce. This is a really handy feature that can save you time and ensure consistency across your records by automating initial data entry. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. We'll begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're on the home page, make your way to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. You'll notice a drop-down menu that appears, and from there, select Advanced Setup. This is your portal to a wide range of customization options for your Salesforce environment, a place where you can really make your system work for you. In this Advanced Setup area, there's a quick find search box. Simply type in Object Manager into this search area. Consider this your gateway to managing all of the various objects within your Salesforce instance. Hit Enter, and you'll see a link to the Object Manager. Clicking on this link will present you with a list of all the objects you can manage. At this point, you need to select the specific object for which you'd like to set default values. It could be anything from a lead to an account or any other object that's relevant to your setup and daily operations. Upon selecting the desired object, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll want to locate the option labeled Fields and Relationships and give it a click. It's now time to create a new field. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of this section and click on the New button. You'll be asked to choose a data type for the new field. While text is a common choice, you should definitely select whatever data type best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, advance the setup process by clicking Next. At this stage, you'll enter the field label, length, and field name per your own specifications. These identifiers are important for maintaining clear definitions and ensuring that others instantly understand the field's purpose. As you scroll further down the page, you'll come across the Default Value section. This is where the magic really happens. Here, you can type in your desired default value. For example, if you'd like default text to automatically populate with every new record, this is where you'd input that text. Next, you'll continue by setting the field level security. You'll need to choose the profiles that should have editing capabilities for this field. This ensures that only the appropriate users have access, thereby maintaining data integrity and security across your entire organization. Once your security preferences are confirmed, click Next. At this point, you'll be prompted to select the page layouts that should feature this field. Page layouts determine which fields are visible on a page, so be sure to pick the ones where this default value will be most beneficial. With everything set up just how you want it, save your configuration by clicking Save. And there you have it. You've successfully set a default value for a new record in Salesforce. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Salesforce customizing, Salesforce.